Good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you, teacher?
I'm well, thank you. Are you ready to start our lesson?
Yes, I am. What are we going to learn today?
Today, we shall focus on basic math. Let's begin with addition. Do you know what that means?
Yes, it's when you put numbers together to find the total.
That's correct. Can you give me an example of addition?
Sure, like adding 2 and 3 to get 5.
Excellent. Now, let's move on to subtraction. What does subtraction mean?
Subtraction is when you take one number away from another.
Excellent. Can you give me an example of a sentence?
Sure, like subtracting 7 from 10 to get 3.
Great job. Now, let's talk about multiplication. What is multiplication?
Multiplication is when you repeat addition, like 3 times 4 equals 12.
Perfect. How about division? What's division?
Division is when you share things equally, like dividing 12 by 3 to get 4.
You are doing really well. Let's practice some more math problems later. Now, let's switch to a different subject. Do you know what a sentence is?
Yes, a sentence is a group of words that make sense.
Excellent. Can you give me an example of a sentence?
The sun is shining today.
Very good. Now, let's talk about nouns. What are nouns?
Nouns are words for people, places, things, or ideas.
Exactly. Can you give me an example of subtraction?
Dog, cat, and school are nouns.
Wonderful. Now, let's discuss verbs. What are verbs?
Verbs are action words. They show what something is doing.
Great explanation. Can you provide examples of verbs?
Run, jump, and read are verbs.
You are on a roll. How about adjectives? What are adjectives?
Adjectives are words that describe nouns. They tell us more about something.
Perfect. Can you give me examples of adjectives?
Beautiful, red, and happy are adjectives.
You are doing fantastic. Lastly, let's talk about colors. Can you name some colors for me?
Sure, like blue, green, and yellow.
Excellent. You have done a great job today. Keep practicing, and you will get even better.
Thank you, teacher. I shall work hard to improve.
Now, let's start our English lesson. Can you tell me the days of the week?
Of course. There's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Well done. Now, let's learn about the months of the year. Can you name some months?
Sure, there's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December.
Excellent. You have got them all. Next, let's talk about the weather. What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm outside.
That's great to hear. Sunny weather can be so enjoyable. Do you like playing outside when it's sunny?
Yes, I love playing in the sun. I can ride my bike and have picnics.
Those activities sound like a lot of fun. What do you like to eat during a picnic?
I like sandwiches, fruit, and lemonade.
Yum! Sandwiches and fruit make for a tasty picnic. Do you have a favorite fruit?
Yes, I really like apples and grapes.
Apples and grapes are delicious choices. Now, let's talk about your favorite subject in school. What's your favorite subject?
I really enjoy art class. I like to draw and paint.
That's wonderful. Art can be a great way to express yourself. Do you have any favorite colors to use in your art?
I like using all colors, but my favorite is blue.
That's the spirit. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to ask. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too. Goodbye.
We've compiled simple and relatable conversations that you might encounter in your daily life. These conversations are not only a great way to improve your English but also to understand how English is spoken in real-life situations. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your English skills, you're in the right place. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos and also comment.